This Coldwell Banker College real estate property video is presented by Kathy.clapp. Check out this fresh on the market, 1,599 square feet brick ranch in Eaton, Ohio with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Entertain in the attached 14 by 24 season room with new carpet. New flooring in kitchen and laundry room. New flooring, sink and toilet in master bath. New toilet in hall bath. All carpets shampooed. Located in town close to restaurants, grocery, retail stores and gas stations. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathy.clapp at 513-523-2181.